The levels of AQI were in the range of 163 to 178 in these 4 towns. Though the trend in the current week shows improvement, the AQI levels still continue to be poor or moderate as the index is in the range of 100 and above. This has put the people to health risks like respiratory, heart disease and premature deaths. The rising pollution levels have led a public perception of unchecked urbanization, traffic congestion, construction activity and pollution-intensive projects. This is not panic, this is an early warning. Goa has traditionally enjoyed clean air, especially after the monsoon. AQI crossing 100 in Panjim and Porvorim after monsoon is not normal for Goa. This is not Delhi yet, but Delhi also did not become Delhi overnight. Pollution grows slowly, silently and then suddenly becomes uncontrollable.
Because sir, air quality index we monitor करता आणि त्याचेर control करपा खातीर आमचे environment department will with the pollution control board आमी जायती precautions घेवपा खातीर.
Attention of the House is drawn to the grave and unacceptable situation faced by the residents of Mormugao due to the reckless handling of bauxite cargo at Mormugao Port by Delta Port Mormugao Terminal Private Limited. The handling of dirty cargo for Miss Hindalgo Company Belgaum has resulted in widespread air and dust pollution, directly endangering the health of the people living in Destero, Baina, Bogda, Jeti, Rumdawada, Headland, Sada and surrounding areas. Fine bauxite dust is reportedly spreading into the homes, schools, public spaces and streets, contaminating the environment and exposing residents to serious respiration and other health hazards.